Alright, in this tutorial we're going to quickly walk through how to open up Adobe Premiere Pro and import clips in. First off, you're going to want to open Creative Cloud Desktop. This is sort of a centralized hub for all of your Adobe apps. You're going to want to come over here to Apps. You won't see anything installed, but if you scroll down to the section available in your plan, you'll see Adobe Premiere Pro listed there. You can click Install, or if it's already installed, just come over here to Open. Alright, so this is the home screen of Adobe Premiere Pro. You'll see any recent projects that you have listed out here. We're just going to click New Project to start. In here is where you can give your project a name, and you can select the folder where you want your project to be located. If you know what clips you want in your project, you can go ahead and search through your directories here. Over here we have import settings. We're going to leave those all to default. I'm going to go ahead and click Create. This brings us to our very basic editing view in Adobe Premiere. So down here we have our project files. So this is where you'll import media to. Up here is your source viewer. So this is where you would come to look at the raw footage that you have. From there you can drag things into your timeline down here, and you view your timeline in your program preview up here. So let's go ahead and just import media. So I'm going to click on this box down here, and I'm going to hit Control-I for import. And then I'm just going to select a few clips here, click Open. That will then import all of my clips into the project. Now if we want to view these files, you can do that in a couple ways. Adobe gives you a shortcut where you can just hover over the clip, and as I move from left to right, you can see that it's actually playing through the clip. And then if I want, the whole clip, I could just click and drag this over to my timeline. Let's say that I don't want the whole thing, I just want part of this clip. So I'm going to double click on this, and I'm hitting the space bar for play. Let's say I only want right here where the subject sort of emerges in. So I'm going to bring my playback cursor to that point, and then I'm going to just hit I for my in point markers and find where I want to end, and I'm going to click O. I can just click on the preview itself and drag down to my timeline, and that will create my timeline down here. Alright, and that's it for part 1 of this tutorial. We've created a new project and imported a clip into our timeline. In part 2, we're going to start actually editing some of these clips together to create a sequence. Thanks for watching.